When you add a Nexus PBR material, a quite complex node setup is created in the shader editor. Sometimes you don't need the powerful features of this advanced setup. What you need is a fast choice between PBR materials and basic tweaks capabilities. In this case, you can take advantage of a lighter node setup. Press the option button, and switch from Nexus to simple PBR material type. Simple PBR materials are lighter, and it's easier to perform custom edits directly into the shader editor nodes window. Both material formats can coexist in the same project, and you can switch from one to the other as you like.